Creating client dashboards for transparency is a game changer when it comes to building trust and improving communication. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create transparent dashboards that allow your clients to easily track progress and understand key metrics at a glance. Stick around to the end because I'll share an exclusive free trial to help you get started right away. First, let's talk about why client dashboards matter. Transparency is everything, and showing your clients clear visual data can make or break a relationship. They want to see results, and a well-structured dashboard helps you do just that, without overwhelming them with raw data. It builds trust and boosts confidence in your services. Now let's dive into the process. Start by choosing the right software. We've tried the most popular tools out there, and I'll be showing you one of the best options today that provides a sleek, user-friendly interface, customizable options, and real-time data syncing. The software we're using in this video is a great fit for any business looking to deliver clear, dynamic dashboards. Once you've chosen your software, the first thing you'll want to do is set up a clean, user-friendly layout. Keep it simple. Too many numbers or cluttered visuals will confuse your client instead of helping them. Aim for a dashboard that shows the most important metrics at a glance. Think KPIs, project progress, or financial reports. Clients should be able to instantly understand the data you're showing them. The next step is data integration. You'll need to connect your dashboard to your data sources, whether that's project management software, CRM, or your analytics tools. This is key for real-time updates. Set up automatic syncing so your dashboard reflects live changes, ensuring your clients always see the most current information. Customization is another big factor. You can tailor the visuals and layout to your clients' needs, whether they prefer graphs, pie charts, tables, or simple progress bars. Make sure you match the data visualization to what they care about most. If you're working with a marketing client, they might want campaign performance graphs. For a financial client, it could be investment returns. Now, let's talk about sharing and access. You'll want to ensure your client can easily access their dashboard, anytime, anywhere. Look for software that offers easy sharing options, whether it's a link, email report, or app-based access. Make it as seamless as possible. If the dashboard is interactive, give your client the ability to drill down and explore the data themselves. Finally, don't forget to keep it updated. Transparency means being accountable. Regularly update the dashboard with fresh data and make adjustments as the project or service evolves. Keeping it up to date shows your clients that you're engaged and committed to their success. Key takeaway. When creating client dashboards for transparency, the goal is clear. Build trust with your clients by providing them with easy to understand, real-time, and relevant data. Choose the right software, keep the layout simple, integrate your data, and make it easily accessible. And remember, the more you can customize the dashboard to your client's needs, the better. Before we wrap up, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial to the software we're using today. It's available only to viewers of this channel, so grab it while you can. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're now ready to create client dashboards that deliver transparency and trust.